Channel Beautiful Art Show. Nagagalak ako ngayong hapon na ito dahil makakasama ko ang mga Board of Directors ng University of the Philippines Alumni Association in Davao City. And with us is the President or the Chairman Pete Morales Jr. Tony Pete.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. And we are very happy na kami ay nandito kasama si Dr. Toto Mendez upang kayo ay masabihan ng latest project. So we have, before that, we would like to introduce to you the officers and members of the board of the Beauty Alumni Association, starting with President Bobby Ramos, to my right.
Good evening, Bobby Ramos po, ang inyong humble na president.
And I would like also to introduce to you Director Robbie Alabazo, also Director Sherwin Ramos, and we have Director Rene
Estremera.
No, Manila to pronounce it. And also, of course, Joel Sagandal. And dito po sa aking right, we would like to introduce you to Director Beth Garcia. And we also have Director Let Tolentino Flores. Rojas, I'm sorry. Rojas. And of course, we are very honored with the presence of the Chancellor of the University of the Philippines, Mindanao, Dr. Hilda Rivera. And one of our directors, of course, is Dr. Mendez himself. So maybe we would like to hear a few words first from Dr. Hilda Rivera,
kasi malapit na sa atin.
Chancellor of the University of the Philippines. Dr. Hilda.
Pleasant evening to everyone. Using Mindanao is a young campus requiring a lot of development, and it owes a lot to the UP alumni based in Davao, not only for its work, but for its convenient support for the development of projects. One of the current projects deal with the population being given its prestigious place in the university, in the sense that we would like to develop the area where it is so enshrined. So the Population Plaza, as we would call the project, as we would name the project, is actually one of those that the Alumni Association would like to help us with. So for this forthcoming Pasiklaban, apart from fun and coming together of a cross-section of alumni and friends and supporters, we actually wish to consider the funds, part of this, to be for the maybe completion, and I can be very positive about it, for the completion of the Oblation Plaza at the Mental campus. That is our, I guess, offering, if I may venture to boldly say, that the board would like to also give us legacy to the Mindanao, apart from these other unspoken support and projects. Thank you very much.
Well, actually, the Pasiklaban 2009 mentioned by Chancellor Hilda refers to a spectacular show involving talents from the University of the Philippines in Mindanao, students and alumni alike, which we will be holding on January 31 at the PAC Mini Auditorium.